Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to sync Outlook email with Gmail. So we're going to be starting from Gmail this time, so click on this settings gear icon on the top right, click on that, after that see all settings. Alright guys, in here, click on accounts and import, and of course as you can see, check email from other accounts. This is where we can add our Outlook account. So add a mail account, click on here. So guys, in here you just need to insert the email you would like to add. As you can see, this is going to be our Outlook email address. So copy that and insert in this field. Let us do that. Alright guys, as you can see, we will need to choose one of the two options, link account with Gmailify or import emails from my other account. Let us choose the first one, tap on next. Okay, and after adding your account, it will appear in here in your Google accounts, and you will be able to see your incoming mail in your Gmail, which is very handy. Guys, enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully this helps you out. Like the video and subscribe. See you next time.